In this video, I'll demonstrate how to add borders to a worksheet in Excel. First, although you see the faint gray lines to organize my data, these are only guidelines and would not appear if I were to print this out. I can toggle these on and off by going to the View tab, Show Group, and Grid Lines. When this is checked, I'll see the guidelines, and when this is unchecked, I will not see the guidelines. The vertical line on the right side is showing me the boundary of the piece of paper if I were to print out this page. I'll return to activating the grid lines because this is how I personally normally work in the software. Next, I'll add borders to visually separate the data that I have in this worksheet. I'll left-click, holding the mouse button down, and highlight the area that I wish to manipulate. Back on the Home tab, in the Font group, I'll go to the Borders command. Right now, bottom border is selected, but if I choose the arrow on the right, I can make a different choice. Here, I'll choose All Borders. Black border lines appear. I'll click in an empty part of the worksheet area to make this more apparent. Although borders exist, on the top and left of this data, it's difficult to see from this perspective. I'll change to the View, Page Layout perspective, and now it's more apparent that I have borders on the top and left. What if I'd like to delete some of these borders? I'll go to the Home tab, Font group, arrow beside the border command, and I'll choose the Erase Border tool. My cursor changes into an eraser. From here, I'll left-click on the very top, drag to the right, and release the mouse button to remove that border. I'll repeat this on the left side, bottom, and right side of this data. If I feel stuck in this interface, I can press the Escape key to return to the normal cursor. This is apparent while I'm on the page layout view, but I can also return to the normal view, and those black borders will have disappeared. Again, if I were to toggle grid lines on and off, the gray grid lines will disappear, but the black borders will persist.